Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Steam client and Steam Link app are on the same local network and Windows 10 has current updates. Once done, update the Steam Link app and Steam client so protocol mismatches don't trigger error 450. You should also turn off VPN and third-party firewalls briefly to rule out blocked ports. This lets you test the connection quickly. If any update fails, restart Windows and repeat the small install step before moving on to deeper fixes. Next, target the network and driver layer because error 450 often comes from connection handshakes failing. Restart your router, modem, and PC. If available, switch to wired Ethernet to eliminate Wi-Fi instability. Reset Windows networking with netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset, then reboot so the stacks reload cleanly. While the system restarts, download the latest GPU and network drivers straight from the manufacturer so you avoid generic drivers that can break streaming. Once drivers are installed, test Steam Link again to see if the error clears. To finish, repair the Steam Link device and clear the app cache. If that fails, reinstall the Steam Link app entirely to remove corrupt settings. Inspect the Steam Link and Steam client logs for clues. They often show handshake failures that point to ports or NAT. If connections still fail, enable UPnP or manually forward Steam streaming ports on your router to allow direct traffic. If nothing helps, one key troubleshooting tip. Try a different host PC or mobile hotspot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.